Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products, they're available on Amazon, Alibaba, AliExpress, and Temu. So if you need to visit these websites. So let's see these cool gadgets and hacks we've got in this video. This is the package. We've got this lady. She's gonna unpack all these products. We've got this one you can use for your socks, and we've got this box you can use for your items. You can use it for your makeup stuff and other small items. We've got this juicer. You can use it for making different types of juice. This is a small box where you can put your toilet paper. We've got this rack you can use for dispensers. She's gonna do the laundry using this smart washing machine. We've got this folding basket. We've got this brush you can use for cleaning your furniture. You can use for chandeliers, and you can also use it for cleaning the ceiling. We've got this small box where you can put your items. We've got this small folding pen. We've got these plastic chairs. This is a cleaner you can use for the corners. We've got this rack you can use in the bathroom. This is a cooker you can use for pizza or chicken. She's washing the dishes. We've got this rack you can use for the sink. This is a spray you can use for cleaning your gas stove. This is a small dispenser you can use for storing cereals. We've got this vacuum cleaner you can use for your bed. And we've got this tool you can use for compressing these plastic bags. We've got this cooker. This is a small air fryer you can use for cooking chicken. You can also use it for cakes. We've got this vacuum cleaner you can use for the floor. We've got this juicer you can use for making juice. It's really convenient. We've got this small brush you can use for brushing off your bed. We've got this cutter you can use for cutting vegetables. This is small box you can use for toilet papers or wipes. We've got this brush you can use for your toilet. We've got this foam you can use for cleaning your sneakers, and you can also use it for wiping off markers or ink. We've got these organizers you can use for your clothes. This is small plastic foam washing machine. You can use it anywhere at home. You can also dry up your clothes using it. We've got this small towel. So that's all we have in this video. Thank you for watching.